Which solution is better for you? In this video, we'll share our own experience of using both of these tools. So at the end of this video, you'll know exactly which one is better for you. So watch till the end.
If you're choosing between Notion and ClickUp for an all-in-one workspace, here's my honest take after about 6 months of using both. Let's start with Notion. What I liked immediately is how flexible it is. It feels like a blank canvas where you can build literally anything. Wikis, databases, content calendars, project trackers, even simple CRMs. The design is clean, minimal, and very focused on writing and organizing information. What stood out to me is how powerful it is for documentation and knowledge management. If your workflow is content heavy or you need a central place for notes and systems, Notion is excellent. It's also great for individuals or small teams that like building their own structure from scratch. But there's a downside. It takes time to set up properly. And if you try to turn it into a full project management system, you often end up building everything yourself. It can also get messy if your structure isn't well designed from the beginning. Now, ClickUp is almost the opposite approach. It's built as a full project management system from day one. You get tasks, subtasks, dependencies, Gantt charts, time tracking, dashboards, and even docs, all built in. What I really liked is how complete it feels. You don't need to design your workflow. It's already there. It's much stronger for teams that care about execution, deadlines, and structured project delivery. But the trade-off is complexity. ClickUp can feel overwhelming at first, and there are so many features that it's easy for teams to overcomplicate things. The interface also takes time to fully master. So what should you focus on? If you want flexibility, clean documentation, and a system you can fully customize, Notion is the better choice. If you want a ready-to-use project management system with powerful execution tools, ClickUp is stronger. From my experience, Notion is better for building systems and organizing knowledge, while ClickUp is better for actually managing and delivering work. It really comes down to whether you want to design your own workspace or use a fully built productivity system.